Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to log into Discord account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already created Discord account. If not, you can check out my previous videos where I have taught you to create Discord account. Now let's get started. Open your Discord app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see two options, register and login. Tap on login option. Now you have to fill your account information here. Here I will be entering my email ID. Now you have to fill up your password here. After you are done, you have to tap on login on that blue icon. Here I will be tapping on don't allow. You can see that I have easily logged into my Discord account. In this way, you can also log into Discord account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.